So we need to create a new list inside Mailing Boss. And we're going to call it AI Powered Profits. We're going to leave it double opt-in and double opt-out. And we need to double check that it will have a domain name email, because sometimes it doesn't let you. So you just click the down and click whichever one you want. That one there. And then you save it. So that's your list done. Also, while we're here, let's have a look at forms. And we'll just put the name and the email in the right order, and we'll save that again. So now it should be name, then email. So we want to go back over to here. Now I've gone into the opt-in page of the template that we are given, and I'm going to give you this one because it's already got the email form in there. What you really need to double check is that you link it straight away to your list, which is this one here, and click that one there. And it's AI Powered Profit. So therefore, you're now all set. So that's linked to that, so it'll capture all the emails in that list.